Stress just doesn't magically make you better. It reveals how well you prepared. In project management, high stress moments are common, and your calmness protects your team. If you're calm when everything is on fire, when you're calm when chaos is showing up in every form and fashion, but you're showing up with solutions, not more, adding more to the problem. If you haven't watched me long enough, I always share that we can get so caught up in focusing on the problem that we don't even have the energy nor the bandwidth to actually focus on the solution. Experiment with some of these actionable tips. Rehearse your escalation path monthly. Build a crisis checklist. Yes, a crisis checklist for emergencies, and reflect weekly on how you handle pressure and where you have areas to actually improve. Point number 6, preparation is a silent separator. The difference between you and the next person has nothing to do with talent, has nothing to do with drive. It's actually your preparation. See, why this is important. Clients and leadership remember who came prepared, not who look busy. You walk past those people that they always seem that they're so busy, and then you look at their output and you're like, man, you've been working. Okay. I'm not even going to take you there, but you get where I'm going, family. It's all about really being prepared. Leaders looks at this a lot more than what you think. Here's my actionable tip: create a pre-meeting checklist template. Prepare your questions before stakeholder discussions. Review last project notes before new engagement. Point number 7: practice until you can't get it wrong builds calm under chaos. Oof. While you're also being calm, no, I know what you're thinking. Well, you're like, well, you can't always be calm, and you're right. You're right. I'm not going to refute that. But what I would say, you have a better chance when things go chaotic. So repetition creates reflex, which helps you stay calm when everything else is falling apart. This is important, family, because calmness in crisis reassures your team and helps you think clearly. Here's my 3 actionable tips I would love for you to go experiment with. Build a weekly habit of practicing project rescue scenarios. Journal what triggered stresses and how you can actually handle it. And then last, final one, review your risk register weekly so you can stay mentally ahead and actually ready. Point number 8, practice until feedback becomes fine tuning, not fixing. If you can notice something, there's a theme that's going on. I'm talking about practice. I'm talking about focus. I'm talking about determination.